What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to your favorite channel where we talk passive income, stocks, crypto, and affiliate marketing. Guys, go ahead and give me that element special. Hit the like and the subscribe button to help me get to my 500 subs by the end of the month. I appreciate you guys for hitting the subscribe button already. Please go hit the like button for me as well. Let's get into the topic for today's video. But before we do that, let's get the disclaimer out of the way. This channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. Certain issues, concerns, and conditions always require the advice of appropriate legal professionals. Seek financial advice when needed. If you want to read this entire disclaimer, guys, come back and hit the pause button and go ahead and read this from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and get into the reason for today's video.
Statistics.
The COTPS system is absolutely giving me phenomenal results. I did not know what to expect when I first joined, but now I see. My eyes are open. Even this is this is a high risk program, which means that this program could probably disappear tomorrow, disappear next week. Well, as of right now, everyone who has joined this particular program is getting at least 3% a day on my account. If you go back and watch from the beginning, you'll see I had 2%, 2.8%, I think was at least, maybe 2.5 at the very least, but I'm still getting 3.8, 3.9, upwards of that percentage every single day, and my account has grown substantially. It's pretty much doubled and almost tripled my 40th day in. So let's get into that. Okay, we're on my phone right here. Let's open up the browser, close that. As you can see, as of right now, it looks like it's going to refresh for me. It'll show 3,500 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I have to make an adjustment since the Wi-Fi here is kind of acting weird. I went ahead and did this. So as you can see, guys, right now we're at 35.79 for the day, and it is a little bit past 9 a.m. So about 30 minutes past 9 a.m. But it hasn't been any other transactions outside of 8:30 a.m. So this will pretty much be the amount that I put into my Excel sheet. Let me open that up right quick. If not, let me see if I got it open already. Nope. Let's go ahead and open that up. And this is pretty much going on a daily occurrence where I'm getting $100 days every single day for the last couple of days at least. Well, you can go up here. I started on the 34th day, and then this day is a day where I missed some transactions. I missed some so that kind of set me back. So let's see, day number 40. I had put this number in early in case there wasn't any transaction, or in case it didn't refresh, because sometimes I'll hit my page and it has not refreshed completely. So the true number for today is 35.79. Okay, I guess gotta hit the number pad here. 35.79 and 35.79. Let me pull out the calculator. Let's hit this. So we have the 35.79. We're going to subtract that. 34.40. And the last 24 hours of profit has given me $140, close to $140. So it's going 139. It's not going to be $100 every single day exactly. It's not going to be 109 every day. Even if I go up, it'll show that it does fluctuate. So it's not going to be the exact same every day. One day it's going to be up, and the next day it might go down a little bit. Even up here, the days will go 43, 42, 41, 42, 44, and that was a smaller amount when I was at 1,300. And now it's doing the same here, like 111, well 123, then went down to 111, then went up to 136. Now it's up $3 more to 139. So the days are going to fluctuate, but the profit is what we're looking for here, which we were pretty much getting. Didn't miss any yesterday, didn't miss any today. So let's go ahead and do that percentage to get that out of the way. And pretty much everyone who joins and decides to get involved with the COTPS system, they're going to profit. I know you're not supposed to guarantee you're going to profit, but you'll make profits if you get to the system and you click the buttons, or even if you set it up automated, which it takes away all of the thought. It takes away the time. It pretty much makes it, it's pretty much the most passive income you're going to get. As far as I know, you wake up, you check your account, and there's money there. If you want to withdraw it, you can. If not, you let it sit and you let it compound. That's what I'm going to do. And I said in one of my other videos that I was going to 579. I'm going to divide that by 139. That I was going to make a withdrawal on the weekend. I may change my mind on that because something else came up, so I may have to what was it, 2.79%? 2.79, so right at 3%, not quite 3%, but we're still getting those $100 days. So I may not make that withdrawal on the weekend. I may just let it sit and let it ride out for another 60 to 90 days just to let it compound even further. Because I do, even though it's a high risk program, me personally, I'm not saying you should do what I'm doing. I'm letting my money sit in the account. Some people's going to take theirs out when they get to the first, when they double, they take out their profit, they take out the initial deposit that they put in, and then the rest they let it snowball from there, which is an option, depending on how much of a risk you want to take. What I'm going to do is I may let it sit for another 60 to maybe even 90 days, depending on how risky I'm feeling. Right now I'm feeling a little bit risky, but these are the statistics. 3579 right now is the total. The total that I put in was 1360, so it's about close to 3 times, maybe close to 3 times the investment in day number 40. 139 profit, 2.79% on the last 28-hour period from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And let's go ahead and let me pull out another calculator so I can show you guys a little bit more, if it'll let me open it up. Let's see. Let's check this out on the phone. And I'm using my phone again, guys, because it's just my the Wi-Fi here is kind of, it doesn't work for some reason. Like when I go to certain Wi-Fi sites, every site is not open. If I go back to the original page, see, it was already, when I loaded it, when I turned it off. Now when I load it on the site, it will not load. So if I go to another site, and that's pretty much here. Like let's say I go to this, that site loads automatically. If I go to this, that site's going to load pretty much automatically. So something with the Wi-Fi, like I can go to another Wi-Fi down the road and it'll come right on. If I come some truck stops with the Wi-Fi, it doesn't load at all. And I can see because it's taking a while to load. It's not taking those other pages any time to load. Let me go here and I click on, if you put it in ClickBank, and I guarantee you that will load up as well. Go to ClickBank and it loads immediately. So it's something with the Wi-Fi that's causing it not to connect, but I have to use the Wi-Fi in order to connect my phone to the tablet so I can record the screen like I have it right now, or I will not connect to it. So let's go ahead to this other, where is it? Go to Sheets. And all this pretty much is this is a spreadsheet that's going to show you how much you can make and how much you can, pretty much a prediction, like a 3% prediction every single day. And see, I put on this out on day number 40. As you can see, this was what I had in the had the other day, and the prediction was the balance is in this row over here in the black. That was the balance. So let's see how I fared against that. So day number 39 was yesterday. It's 34.37. So if you look, I'm actually ahead by a couple $100. So if I were kept 3% per day, even with the money added into it, this is pretty much the plus and the minus of me adding money and taking it away. So even with that, I'm still ahead by a couple $100. So let's put in today's numbers. We're going to check that out. So today's numbers were, let's go back over here. Open this spreadsheet up. Here we're at 35.79. So if you look at this for day number 40, 35.79 is showing 33.49. Oh, I'm sorry, I had this open right here. It's showing 33.49 right here on the spreadsheet for today. And for the 34.47, it's showing 32.52. So I'm ahead, even with the 3% of the days I don't get 3%. Sometimes I get more, sometimes I get a little bit less. Like today, I did get a little bit less. So let's go ahead and do like a little prediction, or let's put out a prediction. Let me go ahead and see if I go back to, if I add 30 days and not make a withdrawal, I just let it sit. That would be day number 70. What was it here? It was 35.79. So let's put in 35.79. 35.79. That was the actual. That's what I have in the account right now. Compared to that, it's pretty much I'm doing better than the 3% prediction, which is it's good for me. So let's add 40 days and go to day 70. So if we go to day, well, no, let's do 60 days from here. 60 will be 111. So let's go to day 111. If I leave in another 60 days, 111, that would be $27,319. But if my account keeps going the way it's going, what's that, day 111? Well, day 11 is $26,523.91 if I leave it in for another 60 days past today. Let me double check to make sure that was done correct as well. So 60, yeah, 60 and 40 would pretty much be, yeah, that would be 100 pretty much. 60 and 40 would be 100. I think I did 110. So let's even go to day 100. If I go to day 100, day 100 is 19,736, and since I'm already trending more than the actual 3%, it would probably be somewhere around 20,000 by that point. So this is what I'm doing. I'm more likely going to leave it in for another 60 days and let it compound, let it get 20,000, and once it gets to the 20,000 or the day 101, then I'll go ahead and take out all of the money. It's a risk that I'm taking. Once again, I'm not expecting any of you guys to take this particular risk. Go ahead and calculate the way you want to make your exit, the way you want to get back your profits. And I advise pretty much everyone else to get back your profits as soon as you can. And I would probably wait till it doubles, and then once it doubles, take back that initial deposit, and then let everything snowball from there. And let's see if I was to do that on here. Let me go back up and show what that example would look like if I was to do that here. Let's say I go back up to day 40, which I'm already double. Let's say I wait till tomorrow and I decide to take out my initial investment. And this is pretty much a calculator that you can use. And I take out, what was it, 16? Let me pull this up again. I'll take out the let's say 1,400. Let's say I would take out, go minus 1,400 right here, and go, and then go back down to day 100, and 60 days from here will still be 11,000, close to 11,500, well 11,153, which still isn't bad. 60 days in, I mean, you just pretty much let it snowball. If I make a withdrawal now, or if I make it later, it's still going to compound. But it's just showing you that if I make it now, then it will pretty much it will make that number smaller, which I'm trying to get. I'm going for the bigger number. I'm taking a riskier chance. Once again, guys, you don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. Just come up with your own plan. Take it out ASAP. This is the Passive Income Trucker giving you more info on stocks, affiliate marketing, network affiliate marketing, crypto, and passive income. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll probably be making more videos sometime this week with affiliate marketing. I'm delving into some other projects that I'm looking into. That's why I only made one video for the last couple of days. I've been looking at some other projects that I'm pretty much already getting into. I'm just checking out a couple of things, crossing a couple of T's, dotting a couple of I's, and making sure I want to show you guys this before I bring it to you. Thank you guys for watching. If you watch all the way to the end, you're an absolute trooper. Go ahead again, guys. Give me that like and subscribe button. Bring you this awesome content, showing you a way to make 3% passive income every single day of the week without doing nothing but clicking the button, or even automate it, so you don't even have to be awoke to make this 3%. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.